Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix 403 forbidden error in Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and we are facing 403 forbidden error on this website. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. So right now we are in the Hostinger H panel. Here we will see the hosting section. We are going to click on manage next to our web hosting. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on website and then click on error pages from here. And here we will see the 403 forbidden error. So next to it, we will see the reset button. So we are going to click on this reset button, click on confirm. So as you can see that we have successfully reset it. Now we are going to try our website. So we will go to our website and refresh it. Let's see whether it's working or not. So as you can see that currently it's not working, but sometimes just by resetting the error page, your website starts working. Now let's try another method. So we will go back to our Hostinger H panel. Now again from the left menu, we are going to click on files and then click on file manager from here. So this is our domain. So we are going to access the files of this domain only, or we can also access all the files of our web hosting. Select public_HTML from here, and here we will see the htaccess file. So we are going to delete this file from here. So we are going to right click on these files and then click on delete from here. After that, we will log into our WordPress website dashboard, click on settings and then click on permalinks from here. Scroll down and then click on save changes without doing anything. And in this way, a new htaccess file will be generated and your error will be fixed. So this is how you can fix 403 forbidden error in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.